It's very difficult to prepare for the role. I had a lot of support from some fantastic actors, and that really helped me a lot. Being in the same frame with actors like Tabu Ma'am and KK and Irfan sir was a huge learning experience for me. It gave me a lot of confidence about the product that we're trying to create.
I needed a commitment from the actor because Hamlet ये अभी से नहीं है मेरे पास, काफ़ी वक्त से मेरे पास मुझे अपनी ट्रिलॉजी पूरी करनी थी. So I needed a kind of commitment from an actor, and before that I needed an actor. So शाहिद का जो काम कमीने में जो हम लोग का जो रेपो था और जो हमने साथ में काम किया था वो बहुत अच्छा हमारा एक जर्नी थी. So when we met, we have been meeting for a long time that we should do a film together. So हैदर का जब सब्जेक्ट की बात आई, so we found each other that we wanted to commit ourselves completely to that script and that subject. So that's how this journey started.
And there are very few filmmakers in our country who give that opportunity to actors to play roles which demand from them more than what they are used to doing. And I think Vishal sir is somebody for me who has always been that filmmaker. And so I'm always extremely excited and charged when he calls me and says that, you know, there is something that he has in mind for me, because I know it's not going to be regular and run of the mill, which might, like you're saying, seem very positive, but then one of my favorite characters in life is the Joker in Batman. So I think, like Vishal sir says, we all love bad people and bad things, and hey, villain, we love.
And apart from that, of course, the industry sees always a negative in me, so I enjoy playing it. They see the evil in me, so I keep the good for life and the evil for cinema.
I was waiting to work with Vishal again because he gives me the utmost creative freedom when I work. Or I think we work very well together. I understand him very well, and he understands me very well. And I think we have shared history, and we've shared some really one of the most intense times of my life during Maqbool with him, and he'll always be part of that. And he's seen me going through that whole journey, and which is it's very dear to me. And I wanted to, have that sort of experience once again. So it was fantastic to work with him.
I think much more than Vishal sir giving me an opportunity to sing in this film, I think I still can't get over the fact that who I'm sitting with on this stage, and that I'm actually a part of this cast, and I've gotten this opportunity to work with Vishal sir, Tabu ma'am, KK sir, Shahid and Irfan sir. So this is surreal. It's something that I can't believe yet.
Not really. Actually, I don't care what happens to my film because that becomes the past. The moment the film releases, you move on, you look ahead. You don't look at your past. Of course, you look at the mistakes you have made that past, but if you have made mistakes. So, for me, Haider is like, or any other film which I make, it's like a new journey for me. I don't see it कि इससे ये चलनी है या नहीं चलनी है. I don't care for that.